Right then. Are you ready for part 3? It's the final one. We will finale. So let's go to the first one. Ah! Hurrah! Goodness, they're back. But I do not have to keep it sideways. I hear it always.
Ta-da!
So
Hammer. If you have a hammer, you know the hammer like Daddy's holding now.
Yeah.
He has, you know the sharp side that Daddy's having. That's the puller. That's a puller.
Yeah, that looks a bit. And check out what Papa's working. See if you know what my dad is. Okay, let's still do lots of sounds, and then it's enough.
Guys, Hammer, come here.
Please, enough. I'll do one more, and then you can talk to me when I'm enough. Let's see.
Jumping on the floor, jumping on the floor. Can you go?
Alright, how about we do a music? We can do it about those with music. Oh, sorry. Okay, see you later. Enough of the